When it comes to budgeting and planning in Excel, there's usually two types of people. There's either the people who think that it's antiquated and we shouldn't do it anymore, or there's the people who embrace it and use it constantly. Now, interestingly, most people probably are in that second bucket because they keep going back to it when they need the flexibility. But I want to show an example of budgeting in Excel for a more modern audience. For instance, I have here a pretend organization that's going to do a live educational series for different regions. This could be like a reseller or professional services organization. And we have the start of some budgets, but there's several costs on this budget that we don't know what to put in there for. So rather than doing the extensive research myself, I played around with Copilot and I'm really impressed with what it can do here. Let me show you what I mean by this. So if I open my Copilot in Excel here, I can just ask Copilot to help me fill in the gaps. So help me fill in the blank rates on this budget and perform market research for each region to determine what the appropriate cost rates should be. Add a tab for each cost with your supporting information and link those results back into my budget. And then the magic thing you always do with AI is say, let me know if you have any questions. And one thing that's really great about Copilot is you're going to see as it works through this what it's thinking about. And you can trace that logic that it used to complete the task you've asked for it to do. We see the work is already starting to happen here. And it now updated my budget with the appropriate rates. Even more than I asked it to in checking the formulas I already had, which is great. It's a nice bonus. And it's checking its own work as well. Now, this doesn't mean that you should not check your work, but it's good that it's thinking like an analyst would. And it tells us all the things that it found. In addition to that, it supported it with backup. Right? So I can see what the market research means. And for each of the different types of costs, I've got that information. And I like that it tells me the source, right? So it's able to find that information and know where it came from. So as I go through each of these, I see a great detailed tab that supports my different costs with actual research. Now, the last thing that I'm going to ask it to do, at least for today's example, is I'll say, great, thank you. Please prepare an executive. If I could type executive, there we go. Executive summary tab summarizing this information and including any pertinent notes. So it's created this executive summary. The only thing it didn't do for me here is format it exactly the way I want, but I can even ask it to do that. Please format the executive summary to be clean, readable, and professional. For instance, make sure all columns are the right width and remove grid lines. And there you go. It's made the changes and, of course, told me what it's done. So this is a really great start. Of course, you can always push it farther and farther, but even as a starting point, this is really great. And the amount of time that it took Copilot to do this versus the hours and hours that I would have spent researching is a huge savings right off the bat.